Hello and happy Easter. I hope you're enjoying your time at home. Perhaps you've been able to use it to spend some more time in the garden, and now your gardens are immaculate and you're looking for something else to do. I wonder if you've looked in the shed or behind the shed or in a dark corner of the garden and found some old containers that might need some attention. I have. After years of waiting, this old wine barrel is finally going to be given a purpose. There are so many things I could do, but I have decided that I'd like to plant some snow peas. So here I go. Step 1. I have given the barrel a good rinse. We have drilled the all-important drainage holes into the bottom and mounted it on bricks so that any water can escape. I've then lined the base with old shade cloth to make sure that no soil drops through. And now we have to add the potting mix. With a larger container like this one, it's not a bad idea to use a cheaper potting mix to fill the bottom half of the barrel, and then to use a premium potting mix like this one here with the Australian Standards tick. Now, the Australian Standards tick indicates that the potting mix has all the necessary ingredients like fertiliser and wetting agent to grow strong, healthy plants. Nothing else is needed. So now it is snow pea seed planting time. I soaked these overnight, as I did recently with our sweet peas, because this helps them to germinate more quickly. Now, I've also learnt recently from our friend Keith that these need to be planted twice their width in depth. So that would be about 2 centimetres, I think. I've got a ruler here next to Tinker. Tinker's going to eat them, so we don't want that. So yeah, about 2 centimetres in depth, and they need to be planted about 10 centimetres apart. So here we go. You'll see that I've put a couple of doubles in because I just want to ensure that they grow, and I'll pull out the ones that obviously aren't quite as successful. It's important now to give them a really good water and then to leave them, as they can be prone to rotting. They shouldn't be watered again until they're about 5 to 10 centimetres in height. As these plants are climbers, I need to construct something for them to hold on to. So I'm going to try to make a little teepee by winding twine around these old fruit tree branches and bamboo. Done. So now I cross my fingers and hope that the seeds germinate. And then we just sit back and wait for about 10 weeks, and hopefully at the end of that time we'll be munching on delicious snow peas from our repurposed wine barrel. So I hope that's given you a little bit of inspiration. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.